Righto boys, we got another bad unboxing. This time I have a computer case. Except it's not fucking Saturday. Pretty sure that says Saturday. So we got our friendly YouTube monetized Not an Axe. This thing needs to fucking sharpen. Yes. Plastic. That is the front of the case. This is what them fancy city folk like to call the Cool Master 5 million fucking... I don't even remember. It's on the box. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's glorious. What kind of herder shit is this? Why the fuck does that have to be wrapped? Oh, you fucking monkeys! There. It's big, it's beautiful, it's got gigantic fuck off fans. It's fucking massive. Holy shit. Now I just gotta buy more computer parts. Yeah.